Hi, I'm Nishchay. I'm the CTO of Jumpy. Jumpy is a solution for helping your kids learn interesting stuff like hobbies of music and dance, etc. In order to access Jumpy.in, you need to go to Jumpy.in. Once you do that, you will see a landing page like this, which contains various categories like drawing, painting, crafts, dance, calligraphy, music, etc. There you can pick a hobby of your choice and ask your kid to learn that. Once you choose a particular hobby, you can find a course relevant to your hobby and enroll in a course. In order to do that, you just need to click on a particular category. There you'll see a lot of courses. Some are free, some are paid. You can pick a course and click get enrolled. Once you do that, it will prompt you to log in into a website. And once you do that, you will get a list of courses using a button called My Courses. Once you do that, you will see a list of your courses. You can pick a course and start lesson. Once you do that, you will see a lot of videos listed down corresponding to a particular hobby. The one which I am showing to you right now is a dance course which contains 5 videos. The instructor is teaching the particular dance lesson. Now, how do we add elements of interactivity to this particular course? There are three ways which we do that. One is camera based feedback, then microphone based feedback, MCQ questions. Let's come to the first part. Okay, before that, I'll show you how it looks on the seek bar. On the seek bar, there are some yellow markings which basically indicate the location of interactive questions. Moving to the next part, which is interactive dance learning. Now, in order to judge how well the user has performed his dance move, we have added this section called interactive dance learning. These are particular types of questions which take your camera input and give you feedback based on that. This is a question which basically shows on the left hand side an instructor video performing a particular dance move. On the right hand side, we have a child whose front camera is on and she's performing a dance move, that same dance move which the instructor is teaching. At the end of completion, we give a matching score based on the postures detected, that how well you have performed the dance move. That way you will see a lot of postures would be detected. Once you do that, an end score would be generated which will tell how well you have performed the dance score. Okay, the technology behind that is computer vision, and we do that using posture recognition. This is a slow motion video computing the dance steps of both the teacher as well as the student. Okay, so any dance move can be basically detected using these postures. Coming to the next step, which is interactive music learning. We have piano lessons on our website where the teacher teaches us stuff like a white note scale, individual notes, etc. At the end of teaching a white note scale, this is a sample question which pops up, which asks you to play back that particular white note scale on your own musical instrument. The application asks for your microphone access, and once you do that, it will ask you to play it back on your musical instrument, and it will. When I was playing the musical instrument on my actual instrument, a green check mark used to come whenever I played the correct note, and that way it helped me practice the entire C scale note. Now, the last type of questions are MCQ, which are just based on theoretical knowledge, which is taught in the lessons. There are some MCQ questions which pop up in between, which is basically helping you to remain interested and not get bored. So this is about Jumpy. Hope you like it.